When you think of a legendary fighter jet, what comes to mind?
For millions around the world, one silhouette instantly stands out: the sleek, powerful F-16 Fighting Falcon.
This isn't just an aircraft. It's an icon of air power, a symbol of technological prowess that has dominated the skies for decades. But how did this remarkable machine come to be, and what makes it so special? Today we're taking a deep dive into the story of the F-16, a jet that started with a simple idea and evolved into one of the most successful combat aircraft in history. The story of the F-16 begins in the United States, rooted in a desire for a new kind of fighter. After the Vietnam War, military strategists saw the need for a lightweight and highly maneuverable and relatively inexpensive day fighter to complement larger and more complex aircraft like the F-15 Eagle. The main hub for this ambitious project was Fort Worth, Texas, where engineers at General Dynamics set out to create a game-changer. Development moved quickly, and the F-16's first taste of the air was actually a bit of a surprise. On January 20, 1974, during a high-speed taxi test, the prototype became unintentionally airborne. The test pilot, Bill Ostriker, decided to take it up for a quick 6-minute flight to avoid a crash. This unofficial first flight was a thrilling, if unplanned, debut. The official scheduled first flight followed shortly after on February 2, 1974, marking the formal beginning of the F-16's incredible journey. The initial concept was clear: build a purebred dogfighter, a hot rod for the skies designed for agility and close-range combat. However, the genius of the F-16 design was its incredible potential for growth. What began as a simple, lightweight day fighter soon evolved into something far more versatile. Engineers and operators quickly realized the airframe was capable of much more. Through a series of upgrades and modifications, the Fighting Falcon was transformed into a true multi-role aircraft. It was equipped with advanced avionics, a powerful radar system, and the ability to carry a vast array of weaponry. This evolution gave the F-16 formidable all-weather capabilities, allowing it to excel in both air-to-air combat and air-to-ground attack missions. Suddenly, one aircraft could perform a multitude of roles that once required several different types of planes. Whether it was achieving air superiority by dogfighting enemy jets, providing close air support for troops on the ground, or acting as a precise tactical fighter, the F-16 could do it all and do it exceptionally well. Its fly-by-wire flight control system, a first for a production fighter, gave it unparalleled agility, while its bubble canopy provided pilots with an unmatched field of view. Production of this legendary jet officially began in 1973, and the very first operational F-16A model was delivered to the U.S. Air Force in 1978. The jet's combination of performance, versatility, and cost-effectiveness made it an instant international success. Its reputation spread like wildfire, and soon, countries around the globe were eager to add the Fighting Falcon to their own air forces. To meet this demand, the F-16 wasn't just built in the United States. It was also license-produced in several other countries, including Belgium, the Netherlands, Turkey, and South Korea, further cementing its status as a global aviation powerhouse. Today, nearly 5 decades after its first flight, the F-16 is still in production. That's an astonishing testament to its design. It has been continuously upgraded with state-of-the-art systems, including advanced radars, electronic warfare suites, and new weapon integrations. These ongoing improvements ensure that the F-16 remains a credible and lethal threat on the modern battlefield. In fact, current plans and upgrades are set to keep the Fighting Falcon flying and fighting well beyond the year 2040, a service life that few aircraft ever achieve. From its accidental first flight to its status as a global aviation legend, the F-16 Fighting Falcon has carved out an enduring legacy. It redefined what a fighter jet could be, proving that a single platform could master the skies in countless ways. Its story is one of innovation and evolution. The F-16 is more than just a machine of war. It's a masterpiece of aeronautical engineering that will continue to inspire and protect for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this look at the iconic F-16 Fighting Falcon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into aviation history. See you in the next one.